We are now approaching that section where you get wet. I checked before coming in and it appears that there was no wind on the outside, so it appears that this area wind is created by the falls themselves, because this is constant. When the water level is high, it's always wet here. But I could be wrong, but that's what it looked like. Sorry, but I can't really give you a better view. It's just a constant spray. I mean, I got wet, completely wet in about 2-3 seconds. There's a quick gap in the wind now. There, the gap is gone. So, see if I can find a dry patch on my shirt. Anyway, that's the wet section on the falls. If you want to see all the falls, you're gonna get wet at this level.